1-minute video on Facebook and YouTube monetization strategies in 2025. Are you ready to level up your Facebook and YouTube game in 2025? Let's dive into the hottest strategies to maximize your earnings. First up, Facebook Reels. Short form video is booming, and Facebook is doubling down on Reels with enhanced ad revenue sharing for creators. To cash in, focus on creating high engagement Reels that hit viral trends while staying relevant to your niche. Facebook subscriptions are another must. Encourage your loyal audience to subscribe for exclusive content, offering behind-the-scenes footage, Q&A sessions, or early access to videos. Now for YouTube. Shorts are still on fire, and YouTube Shorts Fund will evolve into an ad-based revenue model. So, optimize your shorts with hooks in the first 3 seconds and a call to action to drive engagement. Plus, push YouTube memberships and super thanks to engage your superfans and unlock additional income streams. Offer perks like custom badges and exclusive videos to make it worth their while. In 2025, content is king, but community is queen. Focus on engaging your audience, and the revenue will follow. Let's get earning. Follow and subscribe for more tips on monetization.